But my brother has no idea he's the hot guy now. As far as he's concerned, he's still Gumby. He don't know. So he's stationed just south of me in Los Angeles. He's stationed in Coronado Island. So he comes up on the weekend and we watch ball together, as any good Kentuckians do. And we're sitting at this LA sports bar watching ball, and this little LA booby girl, honey, comes bouncing up to him. Excuse me, can I have a cocktail napkin? My brother, y'all, without turning around, grabs a stack of napkins and goes, yeah, there you go. I'm waiting, she's waiting. Finally, she just bunny hopped off in defeat with her napkins. That works every time. And I wait till she got out of earshot. I said, Dave, buddy, what are you doing? That little thing was hitting on you. He goes, Trish, that's a crock of crap. When you went to take a piss, 3 other girls asked for the same thing. This place has crap customer service.